Let's go!
Hey, what's up y'all? As promised, here is the video that you have been waiting for. Hero 12 Black Max Lens Mod 2.0. In this video, I will walk you through everything that you need to know about Hero 12 Black with the Max Lens Mod 2.0. From installation, how to get started, features and benefit, what's new, and some shooting tips with the Max Lens Mod. Of course, you can expect a ton of side-by-side comparison because why not? As always, video chapters are in the description. Without further ado, let's dive right in. The first thing that you need to know is that Max Lens Mod 2.0 is a hardware attachment to the Hero 12 Black. So allow me to show you how to install this the right way. First and foremost, remove the rear protective lens cap and place it onto the table as such. Next, twist and remove the protective lens of the Hero 12 Black and keep it in the rear protective lens cap. Now, before you install the Max Lens Mod 2.0, make sure that the grooves are aligned. Next, twist firmly to make sure that it is locked. And that's it. Now, because it is a hardware attachment, you want to toggle on Max Lens Mode. So swipe down to open the camera dashboard and set up Max Lens Mod 2.0. And as always, a good practice is, if you are not using the Max Lens Mod 2.0, make sure that you put the rear protective lens cap on. That's it, super simple. Let me know what you think. Now that we've got the Max Lens Mod 2.0 installed, let's check out what's new with it compared to its predecessor with some side-by-side comparison. Let's go! One of the biggest upgrades of Max Lens Mod 2.0 is that it captures up to 4K 60 at a staggering 177-degree field of view. Compared to its predecessor, which only captures up to 2.7K at 155 degrees. Now, that is massive! Check it out! GoPro stop recording. Compared to Hero 11 Black without the Max Lens Mod, that is 36% wider and 48% taller when using the vertical capture mode. Now, that is massive! Not to mention, with horizon lock toggled on, it doesn't matter whether your camera is jerked around or rotated during recording, your orientation will stay level throughout the shot. Just like these examples. How insane is that? Wow, just wow. And when compared to the linear plus horizon lock digital lens on the Hero 11 Black, you can clearly see how much more immersive and wider it is with the Max Lens Mod 2.0. You be the judge. Yo! Now, let's cut to some side-by-side B-rolls. horizon lock test. How was that? How was that? Now, here is a really interesting tip when shooting with the Max Lens mod. With horizon lock and orientation lock toggled on, it doesn't matter how the camera was mounted. Just like that. The orientation will be locked to its initial capture position. How cool is that? Huh? And that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about the Max Lens Mod 2.0? And as always, when you're not using the Max Lens Mod, don't forget to put the lens cap back on. Until then, I will see you in the next upload. Yo!